Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you ever feel like you're stuck in a rut? You work hard, but you never seem to get ahead. The bills pile up, and the stress never seems to end. Millions of Americans are trapped in a cycle of debt and financial instability. They live paycheck to paycheck, always one unexpected expense away from disaster. Is this you? It doesn't have to be this way. You can break free from the shackles of debt and build a brighter future for yourself and your family. Are you ready to take control of your finances and achieve lasting financial freedom? The truth is, our society is designed to keep you in debt. Big banks and corporations want you to stay trapped in a cycle of borrowing and spending. They bombard you with tempting credit card offers and easy financing options. They make it seem normal to be in debt up to your eyeballs. But here's the secret they don't want you to know. You don't need their fancy credit cards or their high-interest loans. You have the power to break free from the system and build a solid financial foundation. It's time to stop making excuses and start taking action. The Money Mastery Blueprint is your step-by-step guide to crushing debt, building wealth, and achieving true financial freedom. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. This is a proven system based on common-sense principles and practical strategies that have helped millions of people just like you transform their lives. The Money Mastery Blueprint consists of 4 powerful components. 1. Debt Crushing Accelerator. We'll show you how to eliminate debt quickly and effectively so you can stop wasting money on interest payments and start building real wealth. 2. Financial Freedom Formula. You'll learn how to build a solid financial foundation, regardless of your income level, so you can achieve your financial goals and live life on your own terms. 3. Wealth Stacking System. We'll teach you how to invest your money wisely and grow your wealth over time, so you can secure your financial future and enjoy peace of mind. 4. Bulletproof Budgeting. You'll master the art of budgeting and learn how to manage your money effectively, so you can stay in control of your finances and avoid common money pitfalls. Debt is a heavy burden that can weigh you down for years. It can steal your joy, strain your relationships, and prevent you from achieving your dreams. The Debt Crushing Accelerator is designed to help you eliminate debt as quickly and effectively as possible. We'll show you how to create a personalized debt snowball plan, negotiate lower interest rates with your creditors, and find extra money in your budget to put towards your debt. Imagine the feeling of making that final payment and being completely debt-free. With the Debt Crushing Accelerator, you can make that dream a reality. Section 5. Financial Freedom Formula. Build wealth on any income. You don't need to be rich to build wealth. The Financial Freedom Formula will teach you how to develop a winning money mindset, live below your means, and save a significant portion of your income, no matter how much you earn. We'll show you how to create a realistic budget that works for you, automate your savings, and make smart financial decisions that align with your goals. You'll learn how to make your money work harder for you, so you can achieve financial security and build a brighter future. Section 6. Wealth Stacking System. Make your money work for you. Saving money is important, but it's only half the battle. To truly build wealth, you need to make your money work for you. The Wealth Stacking System will teach you the fundamentals of investing, so you can grow your money over time and secure your financial future. We'll cover everything from stocks and bonds to real estate and retirement accounts. You'll learn how to choose the right investments for your risk tolerance and financial goals, so you can watch your wealth grow year after year. Section 7. Bulletproof Budgeting. Take control of your spending. A budget is not about deprivation, it's about freedom. The Bulletproof Budgeting System will teach you how to track your spending, identify areas where you can cut back, and allocate your money wisely. We'll show you how to create a simple, yet effective budget that you can stick to, so you can finally take control of your finances and stop living paycheck to paycheck. You'll learn how to prioritize your spending, make informed financial decisions, and avoid common budgeting pitfalls. Section 8. Real People, Real Results. Success Stories with the Money Mastery Blueprint. Don't just take our word for it. The Money Mastery Blueprint has helped countless individuals and families achieve remarkable financial transformations. I was drowning in debt and didn't see a way out. The Money Mastery Blueprint gave me the tools and strategies I needed to pay off my debt in record time and start building a brighter future for my family. Sarah J. I used to think that financial freedom was only for the wealthy, but the Money Mastery Blueprint showed me that anyone can achieve financial security with the right knowledge and a little bit of effort. John D. These are just a few examples of the countless success stories from people just like you, who have used the Money Mastery Blueprint to transform their lives. Section 9. Take control of your financial future today. You don't have to settle for a life of financial stress and uncertainty. The Money Mastery Blueprint is your key to unlocking a brighter financial future. Don't wait another day to take control of your finances. Order your copy of the Money Mastery Blueprint today and start your journey towards financial freedom. For a limited time, we're offering a special discount and exclusive bonuses to help you get started on the right track. This offer won't last forever, so act now and claim your financial freedom.